Hi there! Today I'll show you how to use the Debt Payoff Tracker, a powerful tool to help you organize, prioritize, and pay off your debts faster. You can get it on our website, SpreadsheetsHub.com. Before you begin, please take a moment to read the instructions on the first page. They'll help you navigate the template effectively. In the first step, enter the basic information about your debts. Next, specify your monthly payment amount and review the payment plan. Move on to the detailed payment schedule to see a breakdown of your payments. This section shows how to track payment transactions and analyze the results. Start filling in the model by entering information on the debt management sheet. Select the currency. Select the year and month. Enter each of your debts into the Enter Debt Information table to begin organizing them. Enter debt. Enter balance. Specify APR. In the custom column, specify the priority for debt repayment. This column must be filled in if you select Custom in the Debt Management Strategy block. Enter data in the creditor and notes columns as necessary. They do not affect the information or calculations. Let's enter a few more examples. Currency and minimum payments are updated automatically. Enter the actual repayment amount. It is important that this amount is not less than the minimum payment. The minimum payment amount is calculated automatically. Select Debt Management Strategy. You can choose from 3 strategies: Snowball, Avalanche, or Custom. The Debt Snowball method is applied, a strategy that prioritizes paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum. The Debt Avalanche method is applied, a strategy that focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, helping you minimize the total interest paid over time. The Custom method, a flexible approach that allows you to set your own payment order and priorities according to your personal financial goals. Let's choose the Snowball method. The information in the Review Your Debt Management Plan section is updated automatically. In the upper block, you can see information on the amount paid off and interest. You can also see the debt repayment date. One chart displays the overall debt structure, while the chart next to it shows the debt amount by year. This information helps you see your payment schedule clearly and understand when your debt will be fully repaid. The template is originally in English, but if you'd like to switch the tables to another language, our TranslateHub tool makes it fast, accurate, and incredibly easy. You can find the link in the description below. Let's get back to the template. To make things easier for you, the input cells are highlighted in light blue, and the formula cells that update automatically are marked in light pink. It's best not to change the formula cells, as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data. And click OK when prompted. You can see the formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. Next, go to the Payment Schedule sheet. This table is designed to calculate your payments based on the repayment method selected on the previous sheet. In this section, you can see a summary of your current balance, amount paid off, debt-free date, and the number of payments. The data on this sheet updates automatically. Here, you can view your daily payment schedule. If your actual payments differ from the planned ones, enter the adjustment amount in the Subtract column. The payment details will be recalculated automatically. On the right side of the sheet, you'll find a breakdown of payments for each debt, which also updates automatically. This information helps you easily track your progress and stay organized. Next, go to the payment tracker sheet. In this table, you need to enter data on actual payments. Enter the date. The drop-down list for the debt column is generated based on the data listed on the debt management sheet. Enter the amount. Let's enter some sample data. Let's move on to the Debt Dashboard sheet. Select the year and month, and all information is updated automatically. In the upper block, you'll find a summary of expected payments, remaining balance, and interest. The overall debt progress chart lets you visually track your debt repayment. The chart illustrates the debt reduction dynamics over time, while the table provides detailed repayment data for each debt. This information gives you a clear overview of your repayment process and helps track your progress effectively. One technical point: if you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Try entering your own debt details to see how clear and motivating debt repayment can be with the Debt Payoff Tracker. This model helps you plan, track, and analyze your repayment progress using methods like Snowball, Avalanche, or Custom. You can download the template using the link in the description below. For custom solutions, our team can create tailored spreadsheets to fit any level of complexity. We also offer templates with resale rights and an open affiliate program if you'd like to partner with us. Thanks for watching and have a great day.